Welcome to our Excel course. In this lesson, we will be learning how to create tables in Excel. First, let's open a new Excel document by clicking on the New button on the top left corner of the screen. Next, we will input our data into the sheet. For this example, let's use a list of names and their respective ages. To turn this data into a table, we will first select the cells that contain our data. Then, we will go to the Insert tab on the top ribbon and click on Table. Excel will automatically detect the range of cells that contain our data and prompt us to confirm the table range. Click OK. Our data is now organized into a table, complete with a header row and alternating row colors. We can also see that Excel has added a filter button to the top right corner of each column. We can now use the various features of a table, such as sorting and filtering, to easily manipulate and analyze our data. You can also format your table as per your requirement by going to the Design tab. You can change the color, font and many more. You can also add the total row if you want to calculate the sum of all the values in a column. That's it for creating tables in Excel. Thanks for watching.